Welcome to our channel today review of the 2025 Switchback Sprinter 144 4x4 camper van. A versatile, off-road ready home on wheels built for adventure seekers and van life enthusiasts alike. At its core, the Switchback is built on the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144-inch wheelbase chassis, renowned for its reliability and performance. The van is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine, delivering 211 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and efficient power delivery across various terrains. The all-wheel drive system enhances traction, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road escapades. In terms of performance, the high-output diesel engine enables the Sprinter to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 12 seconds, a respectable figure for a vehicle of its size and purpose. The van boasts a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, allowing you to bring along additional gear or recreational equipment. The Switchback conversion by vanworks transforms the Sprinter into a fully equipped camper van designed for comfort and functionality. Inside, you'll find a queen-size bed with a stackable and removable 3-panel system, interweave walls, a bamboo ceiling, and vinyl flooring. The kitchen area features a 42-inch aluminum galley with a bamboo countertop, a stainless steel deep sink, a NovaCool fridge-freezer combo, and a portable induction stovetop. Water needs are met with 20-gallon fresh and gray water tanks. Electrical systems are robust, featuring an ecoflow lithium battery system with 420 amp-hours of power, a 3,600-watt inverter, 200-watt solar panels, and 30-amp shore power connectivity. Climate control is managed by a MaxxAir fan and an S-Bar diesel-fueled heater, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. Storage solutions are thoughtfully integrated, with a large underbed garage area, utility cabinets, and LED lighting throughout. The exterior is equipped with a rooftop awning, running boards, vented windows, and distinctive Switchback badging. Safety and convenience are paramount in the 2025 Sprinter. The van includes features like side guard assist, a digital rear-view mirror, and a 10.25-inch infotainment screen, enhancing driver awareness and ease of use. Pricing for the Switchback Sprinter 144 starts at $129,500. Offering a comprehensive package for those seeking a ready-to-go adventure vehicle. In summary, the 2025 Switchback Sprinter 144 4x4 camper van combines Mercedes-Benz engineering with vanworks' thoughtful design, resulting in a capable and comfortable vehicle for both everyday use and extended adventures. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations, this camper van is equipped to handle the journey.